How to add items to your wish list on Walmart. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for walmart.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to add items to your wish list on Walmart, scroll through the item you want to add to your wish list and further tap on the item. You will then see a heart icon above the item. Tap on that, and with this, the item will be added to your wish list. You can tap on the View option to view your wish list tab, or you can also tap on your account name and further tap on the account option. Now, scroll down and on the left side toolbar under My Items, you will see the Lists option. Tap on that. Now, select your Lists folder and you will be able to see your wish list there too. So, this is how you can add items to your wish list on Walmart. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.